In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable thumbnail image in Google Slides. This is a really useful technique, especially if you're looking to make your presentations more interactive and engaging. So let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you need to do is insert the image that you want to use as a thumbnail. Simply go up to the top menu and click on Insert, then hover over Image. From there, you can either upload an image from your computer, use a URL, or even search the web directly within Google Slides to find the perfect image. Take a moment to select the image you want to use and insert it into your slide. Once your image is in place and you're happy with your selection, it's time to resize it to your desired thumbnail size. You can easily do this by clicking on the image and dragging one of the corner handles inward or outward. As you adjust the size, keep in mind that it should be large enough to be clearly recognizable, but small enough to serve as a clickable thumbnail in your slide. Now that you have your image resized, we need to make it interactive by adding a link. This step is crucial because it's what makes the image clickable, allowing anyone viewing the presentation to easily access the linked content. While your image is still selected, head back up to the top menu and click on Insert, followed by Link. Alternatively, if you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+K on a PC or CMD+K on a Mac. In the dialog box that pops up, paste the URL of the larger image or the resource you wish to link to. This could be a document, a web page, or any online resource that adds value to your presentation. Once you've pasted the URL, make sure to hit Apply to save your changes. Before you wrap things up, it's always a good idea to test out your link to ensure everything is working correctly. Switch your presentation into present mode, which you can do by clicking on the Present button located at the top right of your screen. Once in presentation mode, navigate to the slide with your thumbnail and give it a click. If everything is set up correctly, clicking the thumbnail should bring you to the larger image or the resource you chose. Creating clickable thumbnail images is a simple yet powerful way to make your Google Slides presentations more dynamic. By following these steps, you can guide your audience directly to additional resources or larger displays of images with just a single click. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel equipped to enhance your slideshows with clickable thumbnails. Thanks for watching and happy presenting!